Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is the professor with Day Trading for Success. So I'm going to go ahead and release another indicator free for you guys today on this channel till the end of the month. So if you watched the last video I made where I gave away a free indicator, which was episode 14, season 14, episode 8, I told you how to get that indicator for free. And this indicator will be for free in the same place. So you got to watch that video, and then it's going to tell you where to get this indicator for free. Okay, so remember that. But there's a lot of good stuff on this video, so don't just leave immediately. Anyway, guys, so we're going to get right into it and show you a bunch of the stuff that's here. Please read this disclaimer. I am not a licensed financial advisor. You should seek the advice of somebody you trust. And let's go ahead and roll the intro.
Welcome to Day Trading for Success, hosted by the professor, a former math teacher, professional trader and coder for Charles Schwab's Thinkorswim platform. The professor isn't a licensed financial advisor. Always consult a pro before diving into any strategies or demos you see here. Start smart, practice in a simulator, stick to a solid day trading plan, and don't forget to log every trade. Your profits will start with preparation. Thank you for allowing us to share in your journey. Please remember to subscribe, comment, give a thumbs up, and click that notification bell so you can be the first to receive more of our great content.
Okay, we're back, and we're going to go ahead and go over I will also make this layout for free too. This is a 1-minute chart with a scalping indicator that has the new crossover indicator that was on that video I just told you, the EMA VWAP crossover video. Plus it's reduced a little bit. And then it's the active trader, and then the level 2, and then we have a 15-minute chart here and a 5-minute chart over here. So we were doing some trading earlier and we did pretty good. We just had 100 shares and we thought we were just going for $1,000, and we got a couple $1,000 with a group of guys. So I still have some people here because they wanted to see me. We were just kind of yucking it up and talking about tomorrow, and I thought I'd show you guys all what's on here, what's stacked up and on here. That's an alarm for the momentum indicator. That's what that green arrow is telling you, that it's about to go up, to jump on that move. Then the buy-sell oscillator is telling you when it's ending. These indicators, for the most part, it's like printing money. I'm telling you, if you learn how to read them, it's like printing money. Now, you need to get the most, you want to line up the most you can get. The scalping indicator's fighting that. The crossover is fighting that. They're both green going up, but the buy-sell oscillator says go down. Your multi-chart alignment's all up. That's a 5-minute chart, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour. We're coming to a 5-minute where some of these people make the decisions to go in or go out. I think the volume's about to pick up. Yeah, it was just a couple 100,000 a minute ago. So it's about to pick up. So we were just experimenting with tiny share size here on this thing. But I'll go ahead and do a little bit more so I can show you how this works. This is the main script right here we're looking at. So it's going to tell you basically what your position is. Then it's going to tell you how much is in your account, the basis. So let's just wait for this move to finish. So what are we at? How close are we to the end? So we're within 4 minutes. So it's a tad risky to trade right here, but let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and buy on that move. And just so you can see now, did you see how it filled in up here? This basis is going to be different if you're going up. You have more in your account and less in your account if you're going down. Okay, so I'll just take a quick trade and try to get out for a profit there with 50 shares because I don't like the way it looks. I'm just going to cancel all there. It picked me up. I was going to cancel it and didn't market it out. So I made $6 or something there. So if you go up into you guys probably know that. You go up into the margin. You can see on this account how I did for today. And I think I was at 13 or something just before that. That's under my picture probably. You couldn't see me do that, but under the monitor. So I will make this layout available to you, but remember with the custom scripts, so you'll have those 2 free. You just have to do a little bit of hunting to get them. They'll be free till the end of the month. So if you're watching this after February 1st, 2025, those 2 scripts will not be free anymore. So that's a lot of time to go get them if you're following this channel along. And then after that, you can still get them at the $1 Million Margin Club along with this one. I mean, well, that is the one I just told you about. It's going to be free. The one here that's going to be free. The multi-chart alignment you can get at the $1 Million Margin Club. I have it split. I have one here and I have the labels over here because it just gets to be too crowded. One of the things I'm probably going to do is I'm going to put a chart above this chart that just has all the different the different labels for the different things, because you got the day trading dashboard that's really cool. But if you did watch the episode, I don't think they changed the episode number because I know I had to re-record it as season 14, episode 6. That tells you how to speed up your platform, so you can fit more and more of these custom indicators without slowing it down. Some people have a fast enough computer that it doesn't make any difference, but you might want to make sure about that. And if you are having trouble, you should watch that video. There's a lot of tricks that can get you the most out of your your layout. So again, I will make this layout available for free. People always, when I come on and I'm current, they want to ask about my analysis about things. I have a large position for NVIDIA to sell out at 160, way up here. And I think it could get there as early as the end of next week, maybe sooner. But I'm prepared to hold it for 3 months or whatever, up and down, up and down, up and down. But I have over 1,000 shares waiting to go. I'm already making quite a bit of money. So that's my position on that. I think it's going to go to 160. Remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. And then if you went to Tesla, that's right, because this is a different account than I was trading Tesla on. Tesla is a bit of a nightmare. So you're going to want to be careful. I was not trading that on this account. Oh, it seems like it might be going back up. But I'll give you a little bit of analysis on that, how I feel about Tesla right now. I'm not an Elon Musk fan, as you know. I do think that some of the bad news that happened here. Now, this is the advice I gave. We were going to trade this bullish. I did mean at the RV strategy, which was like right in here, right there. And it did, we did well. But I didn't clarify that because I got a couple emails that said, you said bullish. Guys, I don't know. I think this is where it's going to go. But that's the thing that terrifies me about giving advice. I'm wrong all the time. Just like everybody else, I'm wrong all the time. Nobody knows for sure. But as it turned out, we did very well trading Tesla yesterday at the RV. With the RV strategy at 10 a.m. East Coast time in the United States. But what a nightmare this is to trade this stock. I recommend 10 to 20 shares, maybe even 5 shares, and have a max loss per trade. Like if you don't want to lose more than $50, it can go down $10 in a split second. What was this move? This move on Tesla was 434 all the way down to 409. My God, guys, $25. $25 in is this a 5-minute chart? Yeah, 10 minutes, $25. Boom, 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 boom. So, if you had 10 shares, that's $250, that you could have lost. Unless, of course, you went short, then you could have made $250. So I cannot tell a lie that during the open, we did trade this stock right here, and we did pretty good going short. Let's look at the 1 minute. This is set for the market magnet. So I didn't tell you about some of the other indicators that are on here before I look at the 1 minute, and I'll show you what we did yesterday. The market magnet's really an important one to have. And there's the range of it, high and low with those arrows. So we just dropped out of it. Right at the close here, people are losing faith. Did it close? Oh, we already closed, yeah. So people lost faith right at the close here. So the momentum told you it was going down. Right? Let's look at the scalping. And I didn't follow this right to the end. But let's take a look at how the volume increased during that last candle. So right before it told you it was going down. And then it looks like this is the buyers right here. That's this candle. Wow. So there was a lot of trading after the market closed. But you could see that it was all across the top. It was all sellers, 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 sellers. And volume went really strong right here. And then it told you with the buy-sell oscillator, hey, it's going to turn around at the market close, and it did. So people made some money probably right here if they switched to extended market trading. These indicators can be like printing money. I'm telling you, if you learn how to read them all, they can get a little overwhelming too. So you have to be careful. So again, just to, so I was going to show you on a 1 minute chart for those of you that are still here and interested. Let me set this back to 2 days. And you can see it's a big mess if you're... So we traded right here. No, let's do this. Let's look at the open yesterday. Is this the open yesterday? No, that can't be the open yesterday. Where am I here? 21st. Did I miss it? No, this is the open, yeah. Yeah, there it was. Okay. No, I know we did okay on this. I thought it was faster than that, but I guess that's deceiving, right? Oh yeah, that's very deceiving how much that price is going down right there. So yeah, so we caught this. It broke out. You can see the breakout levels were like right up in here. So we caught this on this, and we wrote it down. We wrote it down, and we did pretty well. And I think I got out. I think right in here was my last trade for yesterday, and I did really well, like 5 minutes in. And then I stopped and came back for the RB strategy. And we were talking then that we thought it would turn around by then. And it was very close to that it starts at 10 o'clock. Very close to that it started to give us the action that we could do the RV strategy with the channels. And then it just kept going up, slowly, but it went back up. Now it's all the way up to 415. But my general feeling about Tesla is be careful. It's really not for beginner traders, and you need to trade very, very low share size. I do think it's going to recover. I do think it's going to go back up. Look at that. It sprang all the way to 446 in the pre-market there. So my general feeling is if you took a very low share size, look at it drop here though, geez. Look tomorrow morning, see where is it, put your I had a fib set up. See where it is. I mean, you can mark your low levels so you can think about where you might have to get an alarm to get out of the position. But yeah, I mean, even down here, 377, I don't think that's going to happen. But, remember, I'm not a licensed fan. I don't know. I'm afraid of this stock. It's like the Wild West. I always say it. It's very scary to trade this stock. But certainly I would have a stop out down here, 406. But it may be there in the morning, or it may be all the way up here. The worst time to trade it would be if you opened and it was like right up in here, like in the 430. Because then it's just like, I don't know. I don't know which way it's going to go. I don't know. So I have the same problems. I start looking at the indicators. I start, drawing, to different trend lines and things like that to try to figure out where it's going to go. I can give you a brief way I would do that if I was doing more of a long term. I'd take a trend line here, and I would probably go here where it gapped in this area here. And I would take it up to here and just see, like, where are we at here? Like, right in that general area. Look how it respected that. Wow. It just kept hitting it there. So that's a pretty respected trend line in that general. Remember now, this is a general area when it gets to it. And then you can have a ascending resistance here. Some people only mark these on the bodies. Some people will swear that's the only thing you should do, and other people will say only on the wicks. I only really look at trend lines like an area, not an exact spot. So I don't look at it that way. You could do another one way down here, but that's 181. Yeah, that's just too low. That doesn't even make sense to go that low because it's not going to get down that low. So yeah, and then you do the support and resistance levels after that. Let's see what that looks like tomorrow. So tomorrow you would be if you see it make a hard stop, you know, up here, the 429, it might be up there. That's when you could say, hey, I might go down with it. Or if it opens and it's here at 414, you know, I think those trend lines are pretty accurate. So somewhere in this general area, I might feel much more comfortable going up long. But, you know, you want to look at what really happened here. If it's blown through here, then it's like, well, maybe you should wait for a re-dip, you know, confirmation. You know, you guys, this video is not really made for your beginner traders. I'm introducing a new custom script that these scripts can be difficult to read. This one isn't really that difficult to read. This one is the current MMC current dynamic position. Now they don't own it yet. They don't get it till February 1st. So I'm giving it to you guys free right now. So remember that. Remember, the professor tries to take care of you guys. I get some nasty emails. Everybody expects everything's for free. You know, I do the best I can do, but I know that 99.99% of you understand that, and I appreciate you. So I hope your trading is going well. Please always stay inquisitive. Learn from wherever source you can, not just here. Always trade in the simulator first and get green with whatever strategy you're trying to trade. We did the open from Day Trading Volume 4, and then we did RV Strategy from Day Trading Volume 1 today. And I did 6,000 on one account, and I did 2,000 or 3,000 on the other account, trading both of those different strategies. So there's definitely something to see there, so you should look those up. I have links to all that stuff. Okay, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and go green out there. I'll see you next time.